Right, welcome to Care Simplified channel. This lesson, we are going to take a look at inserting watermark at a specific page. So I have with me 2024 November paper 1 question 1.10. So let's check the question. Right. It says insert the one back image as a watermark on the last page only. So here we are only going to insert it on the last page. So the first step is that we have to separate the last page from the rest of the pages. And then this is the last but one page. So we click at the end of the last but one page. Then we go to layout, break, and then we choose continue so that it doesn't give us another page. Then after that, we go to the header of the last page. We go to the header of the last page, and then we take link to previous. We have to disable this so that it shouldn't be linked to the previous page. Then we go to the footer also, link to previous. So both the footer and then the header, we have to delink from the previous page. Right. So here, this footer must also, it can also be delinked as well as this header. So in other words, we have separated the last page from the rest of the page. And then after that, we go to the page, and then we go to design, watermark, then custom watermark. So picture, we select the picture. From file, and then I have the picture here, which is one back. Then apply. So as you can see, the picture is on all the pages. So for us to remove the rest of the pictures from the other pages, we go there to the next page. That is the last but one page. We have to make sure that the footer section or the header section is activated. And then you put the mouse on the image to select it. Then you press delete. So we have deleted the image. So we have to check which of them. So now we can see that only the last page is having it. The rest of the pages, we have deleted them. Right. So that is how we insert watermark on only the last page. Right. Let's take a look at maybe if the watermark will be not only the last page, but then the other pages. So let's also look at that one. I'll use the same example, one solar. Right, let's say I want to put the watermark only on the second page. So what we do is we have to put a section break here. That's on the first page. We go to layout, break, and then continuous, so that it doesn't create another page. Then we also go to that page 2, the last point, break, and then continue. So we have to separate the page 2 from the first page and page 2 from the rest of the pages below. So now, after inserting the continuous page, go to the header of page 2, link to previous, you must remove it. Go to the footer also of page 2, link to previous. So both the header and then the footer of page 2, we have to delink them. And then page 3 as well, we have to remove the link to previous. Why? Because we don't want page 3 to be linked to page 2 as well. So both the header and the footer. So when we are done delinking them, we can now go to our page 2. We can now go to our page 2, and then we go to design, watermark, custom watermark, picture, and then we select our picture, which is one back picture from 5. Right. So we have it on page 1. We have it on page 2 as well, and the rest of the pages. Now we need to delete the one on page 1 because we don't want it. So we hover the mouse pointer on the image to select, and then we click on delete. So page 2 is 7. Now we go to page 3 as well and do the same, and then delete. So now we have only page 2 having the watermark. The rest of the pages do not have the watermark. So here the trick is that after inserting the continuous section break, you must make sure that you delink from previous. Link to previous, you must remove them before this can be able to work. Thank you for your time.